Why come to Veeam? Great technology. I always start with that, great technology. So if you want to sell a product, if you want to work around a product, customer support a product, market a product, pick any function, you got the best product. That's not true in a lot of cases in different industries. So one is you come to work because you're dealing with the best product. That doesn't make it easy to sell, but it clearly makes it better to sell that versus something that's a bet on the future. So I would say that's number one. Two, we've proven we're growing, and I've only been around and worked with growth entities. So when you're in a growth environment, you get different feelings. Why? Simply because you're not worried about the layoff, or you're not worried about, oh, we had a bad month and therefore it's going to be bad. Oh, we got inventory we got to get rid of. So we don't have that. And I think third, it's the people. It's back to, we're dedicated to trying to get the best people, have this diverse workforce. You come to work for Veeam. Why? Because you're gonna enjoy the people you work with. And if you don't find you should find a place that you like working with the people you have. I have to come back to my first wife, Sandy, giving me advice on how to help her in a absolute challenging time period. It was really from her about putting yourself in another person's, the other person's shoe that you're dealing with. So what's the message here? Being a little more sensitive, being a little more understanding, taking the time to try to understand. That's where it came from.